My name is Chelsea and this is Matt.
I'm Maddie. And we are the Squeezies.
And we're going to make slime. You put some glue all the way to 30 and then you get some activator and then you put 4 drops of activator and then you stir it. And then when you're done stirring, you could put it in this foam. Like this. Like that. And you could use a spoon if you have one. So you could do this. So all the slime all the activator and the glue will get out. And then when you're finished, you could put it in here and then you could stir it like this. But be careful if it's super full. Oh.
When your slime will turn like this. But be careful to not put too much activator or it will harden. Which is fun,
And then when you mix, if it's too much, you could also put some like on the bottom. When it feels ready, you could use your hands like this. And bye. You could see, bye. And that's how we make our slime.